what's under the hood. Understanding is a brush stroke of paint on the face. I got $27 getting my memory erased. You got that red blood. You got American blood. Bernie's drawing pictures on the griddle and greasy, getting thick in the middle with the liquid disease. Now they're chewing up his French fries like cows chew their cud. You go to sleep in the barnyard, gonna wake up in the mud. You got that red blood. You got American blood. Too many misfires, too many mistakes. I'm too old to start over, I'm young enough to change. I'm surrounded by hustlers, liars and fakes. Just happen to hang out at my favorite place. Tearing holes in my mind. Got this righteous hunger, gonna have a good time. So don't you call me Johnny, like we're good friends. I got no hands to shake, I got no time to pretend. I got this fire in my blood, and it's American blood.